Hello everyone, this is me Anamika and this is my YouTube channel AnamikaBind21. I hope you all people are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So friend, today I am going to tell you that some method for speaking English. Because of that method you can speak English fluently in just 3 months. So friend, without wasting our time, let's start our topic. So friend, as you know that I have no any practice partner and I am also from a village. So how I learned this language, today I am going to tell you some secret of my English journey so that you can practice and you can improve your English also. So friend, actually when I was a beginner, first I learned vocabulary. That is very useful for me, because if you want to learn any language, if you want to learn anything, so you will have to know about vocabulary, because in English language vocabulary is most important. If you don't know vocabulary, so how you will speak and what will you speak? So that is the reason. So friend, first you will have to learn vocabulary. Without vocabulary you can't speak, and I can say it is not possible for speaking English if you don't know vocabulary. And second things friend, if I talk about what I used to do, I used to do practice as much as possible. I know you think that with whom I will practice. So friend, at this time there are many online application you can search and you can find, and you can find many learners on that application. Because of them you can practice, and there are many solution at this time. Earlier there was nothing, but at this time there are many things you can practice. And third things friend, if you want to speak English fluently, if you want to teach English, if you want to teach English, if you want to read, if you want to write, so you should learn about grammar, about tense, because tense is very important in this journey and there are many uses. Because of uses you can speak English fluently, and you can be a fluent speaker. Like I'm going to tell you one use, that means is about to, मिस हुआ आने वाला है, आने वाली है, आने वाले हैं. इफ आई वांट टू से वह आने वाला है, सो हाउ आई विल से ही इज़ अबाउट टू कम, मैं जाने वाला हूँ, आई एम अबाउट टू गो, लाइक दिस. So use is also important in our life. Here are many idioms you can use in your English speaking journey. You can improve because of idioms. I am going to tell you some idioms like cock and bull. It means छोटी मनगढ़ंत कहानी. My teacher always tell to us. My teacher was always tell to us cock and bull stories. It means मेरे जो टीचर अध्यापक हैं वो हमें हमेशा झूठी मनगढ़ंत कहानी सुनाते थे. So there are many uses cock and bull. If you want to say मैं बहुत ध्यान से सुनता हूँ, हाउ टू से इन इंग्लिश, आई एम ऑल ईयर. इट मीन्स मैं ध्यान से सुन रहा हूँ, आई एम ऑल ईयर्स. सो देयर आर मेनी idioms and phrases. Because of them you can show to others that you know very well English. So that is the best way. And fourth things friend, listening is most important in this journey. You know friend, first I don't speak, most of time I don't speak. I try to listen to others, the person who is fluent speaker, I always listen to them that how they are speaking, and first I listen to them and then I memorize all the thing, and I try to repeat their sentences and I try to pronunciation. So you will have to do like this, and then you will see that you have improved much your English. And at this time you can go on YouTube and search. There are many types of animation related videos, stories, flourish. You can find on YouTube, you can listen, and you can see many, you can watch many types of movies, and because of movies you can learn English, you can speak English, and you will have to learn new word always. And if you think that one day in 1 month you can speak English fluently, so friend, if you want to know, so I want to tell you that it is not possible in a day, in a 1 month. It is language, it will take time. So keep patient and try to speak and try to read, try to write, and try to learn every day new words, vocabulary. It is not possible in a day. I know you are very genius, you can, but it will take time. You can't be a fluent. It is total depend on your practice. So you will have to do practice, and then you will see that you are speaking so well. I hope friend this video is very useful for you. If you think that my video is useful for you, so please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel, because your one like and your one subscribe, it's motivate me for making more and more videos and share my whole journey to all of you. So friend, very soon I will upload video related to English. Like I will challenge to myself that I will upload every day video without skipping any day. So if you want challenge video, so must comment in this video. Definitely I will make video soon and I will work on it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you.